4 times the smallest of 3 consecutive odd integers is 236 more than the sum of the other two. Okay, automatically I'm thinking of 3 consecutive odd integers, and they are x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. Just start with that as a basis. 4 times the smallest, that would be 4 times the x, is 236 more than the sum of the other two. Now the sum of the other two is going to be the x plus 2 plus the x plus 4. Okay, it looks like we've got a pretty good equation going there. The left, no change, is 4x. We're going to have 236 plus 2x plus 6 on the right. When we combine like terms, we're going to have on the right 2x plus 242. Left side is going to remain 4x. I'm going to subtract 2x on each side and slide my paper up for you. And we will have 2x now equals 242. And then dividing each side by 2 gives us 121. And so our 3 consecutive integers are going to be 121, 123, and 125. Vertical angles are equal in measure, and so we can set these two equal to each other. This gives us x plus 17 is equal to 2x minus 3. And let's subtract x on each side. That will give us x on the right minus 3 is equal to 17. And adding 3 to each side, we find that x is equal to 20. So there's the first half of our answer. What is the value of x? Then we want to find the measure of each of these angles, so we're going to substitute that 20 into either of the sides. And so 2 times 20 minus 3, which is 40 minus 3, is 37 degrees. Notice that if we stuck 20 in on the left, 20 plus 17 is 37 degrees there also. In this last problem, we need to find the measure of these two angles, and we know that inside of a triangle there are 180 degrees. But if the right angle uses up 90 of the 180 degrees, that means there is 90 degrees left for the remaining two. So we are going to have 3y minus 18, I'll put that in parentheses, plus y plus 2 equal the remaining 90 degrees that are in the triangle. So, combining like terms, 3y plus y gives us 4y. Negative 18 plus 2 gives us negative 16 equals 90. And I will begin by adding 16 to each side of the equation. That will give us 4y is equal to 106. And dividing each side by 4, we will find that y is equal to 26.5. Now that's only the value of y. We need to find the measure of each of these angles. If you substitute into the y plus 2 degrees, which is what I think is the easiest, 26.5 plus 2 tells us that we're going to have a 28.5 degree angle for that angle. And then we have two choices on how we get this remaining angle. We either go 3 times 26.5 and then subtract 18, or we start with the 180 degrees for the triangle, subtract off 90 for the right angle, subtract off 28.5 degrees, which we just found, and that will give us the remaining angle there, which happens to be, let's subtract, 90 minus 30 is 60, add the 1.5 back in, 61.5 degrees. Notice those add up to 90, plus the other 90 makes 180 degrees. And so there are the two remaining angle measures in this triangle.